If you're fed up with compromising when it comes to Wi-Fi, check this beast out. This is the TP-Link Archer AX11000 tri-band Wi-Fi 6 gaming router. And not only does it come with extraordinary sci-fi good looks, but also a long list of very impressive hardware and software features. So here's the setup. That's my broadband router. I'm connected via the 2.5 gig WAN port on the back of the TP-Link router. And setup was really easy. I just downloaded the Tether app, the TP-Link Tether app from the Google Play Store, went through the motions and it connected instantly. And you can probably see at the top of my phone, if I zoom in, it's Wi-Fi 6, so that's really exciting. So there's nothing throttling me back now. I'm able to just let loose and just absorb as much of the bandwidth that I'm getting from the outside world for all of my gaming and streaming needs. And as well as the app, you also get much more granular control via a web interface. It's really intuitive, it's easy to use. It's the software front end of the powerful chipset that's actually inside the router, the hardware. So there's a ton of settings within the Game Center tab, including Game Accelerator, Game Protector, there's a VPN server, I'm not quite sure what that is, but I know that the Game Accelerator function is a really clever, intelligent function that when you turn on, enables you to offer more bandwidth to those devices which the router automatically works out are being used for gaming.
That kill? That was so sweet.
It looks badass, and as far as tri-band Wi-Fi 6 gaming orientated routers go, it doesn't get much better.